All right guys, so we just got the van back and check it out. Here's what's going on. This van has already been touched bumper to bumper. Between the valve seals, the transmission, rear axle seals, you name it, we've gone through this thing or checked it to make sure it's good. So ultimately what we've done is turned it into a survivor driver. We put it back to how it looked when we first found it, but it's 100% reliable. Come on over, let's check it out. Original shag carpet right here. It's all been shampooed. It's all really nice shape as far as, 70 shag can go. I've got an old period correct cooler in here, lawn chair, Afghan. One of my favorite parts about this van is the Schlitz curtains. The original curtains were kind of thrashed, so we had also old Schlitz fabrics. We sewed these up. Looks pretty good in here. Another one of my favorite parts in this thing, you got household outlets inside this thing. So the way it works is if you're at a campsite, they have household power. You can plug in and plug into the bottom of the van. Household power inside your van. Pretty cool. Let's go to the side and check it out. Check out the inside, guys. It's like a 1970s bedroom in here. All shag and paneling. It looks super bitchin'. And this is all the original interior in here. I mean, down to well, if you look at it, we did talk about the curtains got changed out. But we used period correct Schlitz fabric from back in the day, so it is 1970s era correct. A lot of the stuff on here, the guy's wife made, like the doghouse cover, the seat covers. I mean, her hairpins are still on the door panel right now. But it is all original. It's about as good as it's gonna get. And that's one of the things I want to talk about. As far as like a survivor goes, this is it. The original shag's in here. We didn't make it better. We didn't tear it apart and replace everything. We preserved what's in here and did what we could to save it because you just don't find them like this anymore. Okay guys, so that wraps it up. Basically our goal with this van was to make it a survivor driver. Keep it looking as good as it did back in the day, as original as it was. But you can take it across country if you wanted to. I mean, hell, this weekend we've been driving this thing to Las Vegas, Nevada for Muscle Cars at the Strip, March 17th through 19th at the Las Vegas Speedway. So right now we've got 49,193 miles on it. After that trip, we'll have about 600-700 or more on it. Anything after that, it's up to you. So if you want to buy this thing, we're going to get it off my hands, get a hold of me. Appreciate you guys watching. See you next time.
Da 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 da.